Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. Today we'll discuss about the most important topic and most interesting topic about Tesla. We know recently Tesla has been launched in India in two sites, namely one in Mumbai and recently in Delhi. So if you see this Tesla, the name of Tesla has come from a man who is a genius, Nikola Tesla. He is a revolutionary in his field. He is basically an electric engineer and he is the man behind our alternating current today we are using. And he also man behind our coil that we are using. Okay, so let's see something about this Tesla and about this man and why it is so famous. So if you come to Tesla, so as I said, recently before Mumbai, now it's Delhi, this showroom has opened. So this is in news because we are asking and we are involved with the Tesla since 2021. So now this Tesla has owned by, we know Elon Musk, we are asking him to keep a manufacturing unit in India. But according to Elon Musk, only manufacturing will be done in US and all the imports will be from US itself. But as a part of our Make in India initiative, we are now asking him to put some branches of manufacturing unit in India as well. But he didn't accept for it. That's why 2021, since 2021 and now 2025, only 2 units of showrooms were established. Now all the cars of Tesla will be imported from US to India. That's why it will be costly because they'll have all the import duties on all. So if you see Nikola Tesla, as I said, he is a brilliant man that his name has kept because he is nowhere related to Tesla, but this name he has got because of him. Why? He is the inventor of AC electricity and he is the pioneer of wireless communication and groundbreaking innovations. Because of this, Tesla has got his name. And if you see Tesla in the modern innovation. Why? Because Tesla is so important because see it's a sleek design and cutting edge technology and is in India it is more into the EV market, electronic vehicle market. So in order to curb the pollution. That's why because of these technologies now Tesla is the big move for Indian market. So if you see this modern Tesla, it started, we'll see about this origin of Tesla as well. So it started in 23. So by Martin Erbert and Mark Tarpley. He is the people who started this. And after that, Elon Musk, that time he is a co-founder of X.com. Previously it was a PayPal and he invested in this Tesla. But in 2008, Musk take over as a CEO and as soon as he took as a CEO, these two people left the Tesla. Now, this Tesla is owned by only Elon Musk. And if you see, now Tesla is famous for 2 reasons. Historically, because of the Tesla name, and otherwise now in the modern era, it is famous because of Elon Musk. Because of his leadership, because of his greater role in all the segments. Take it a space, take it a all the chat boxes, everywhere you can see Elon Musk. That's why now Tesla is famous. And now we'll look some interesting story about the Tesla. So that the man who is behind the name of the Tesla. So if you see Nikola Tesla, we'll call him as a futurist. Why? Futurist is a broader term, very broader term. Because he always says there is a 369 theory which is in universe. He always believes in 369 theory. Now let's see this, what is this 369 theory actually meant. So if you observe 3, 6 and 9, these are 3 important numbers which he says according to him. So if you see, for example, let's take a number 1. If you take number 1 and if you double it, like 1 double, 2 again double, 4 double, 8 again double, 6, and if you add 1 plus 6, we'll get 7. So apart from 3, 6, 9, if you add any numbers from 1 to 8, not 9, 3, 6, we'll be getting either 1 because it's an endless loop, right? So 1 plus 4 again 5, 1 plus 0 again 1. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. These are the loops we'll be getting. But if you take 3, 3 double 6, 6 double 3. So whenever we are adding, we'll be getting only 3. So it's a perfect balanced loop. And the same with again 9. So he says, actually the math we are using now, it's not our creation. It's basically a discovery in the universe. So according to him, our modern technologies, maths already existed, but we have discovered it. That's why he says, Tesla numerical philosophy says 3, 6 and 9, they are nothing but a frequency, vibration and the energies of deeper universal truths. They are the numbers of nature. That's what he says. And he says he related with the present energy flow also. If you see, he related with the creation. It's nothing but a creation of force. It's a creative of beginning of all the cycles of the mankind. And flow, it represents the balance of energy and the flow. And 9, it's a completion. So this is a divine force. So if you see, Tesla basically, he is a not and complete religious man or atheist. He's a neutral man. He's a futurist. He's a man of future ideas. He has thoughts of like all that time, all other thinkers, what the ideas he has, and the modern thinkers' ideas together is a man Tesla. So that time itself, he started imagining whole world in a 3-dimensional way. So in the 3-dimensional way, 3, 6, 9 numbers are related to this flow, creation, completion, etc. So, and he also says this 3, 6, 9 is the language of universe, which we communicate to the universe. That's what he says. So everything, take it from the mechanical waves, sound waves or electrical waves, anything can be communicated only with the 369. That is a 369 theory of Tesla. And if you see Tesla's legacy today, how it was. So if you see, we can see all the Tesla vehicles as a revolutionary one, and energy solutions like solar roofs, everything is based on Teslas. And this even continuing today, it's not stopping, it's continuing. So if you see, by taking only the great person name, Tesla has grown to such a level. Each and every, from a small kid to a 70 years old man, everyone are aware about this Tesla. That's what this has become so famous. And apart from this cars alone, this Tesla vision also now coming into play in both the energy storage, solar power and artificial intelligence also. Now they are collaborating with the artificial intelligence. They are making all the cars with the help of artificial intelligence for better technology. So upgrading and updation are the important things now Tesla is following. And if you see the future of Tesla, so with autonomous driving and energy revolution with the new markets and advanced AI, now Tesla is expanding. So if you see, a company which has a name of a famous engineer, now it's into it's a growing market and it's a ruling all over the world. But if you see the Nikola Tesla, the man behind this name, if you see, whenever, like while he was living in this current situation, he doesn't acquire any name. While dying, he said, all the time when I lived, I only got 2 things, humiliation and insult. But today, he indirectly owns a big company with his name. That's what his legacy. So, whenever our intentions, our motivation is more important than the present result. So, it's for everything, whether if you take a UPSC exam or in the life. So, always be motivated and be always optimistic. Thank you. That's it for today. If you like our initiative, please like, share, subscribe our Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.